Is your Samsung phone not turning off airplane mode? Don't panic. This problem can be fixed with a few quick steps. Here's how you can solve it. Let's get started. Solution 1. Stop third-party apps from System Apps. Open Settings. Scroll down. Find out the Apps option. Tap on it. Tap on the three dots icon from the top right corner. Then tap Special Access. Scroll down. Tap Change System Settings. From here, find out the third-party app and toggle it off. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solutions. Solution 2. Check your software update. Go to Settings again. Scroll down. Tap Software Update. Then tap Download and Install. If you have any update available, then install it. Solution 3. Reset all settings. Go to Settings. Scroll down. Tap General Management. Scroll down again. Tap Reset. Scroll down. Now tap Reset all settings. Then tap Reset settings. Again tap Reset. Wait for a while. I hope this fixed your problem. If the video helped, give it a like. Got any questions? Just leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.